Welcome to North Star. Projected monthly sales of Volstead Corporation for January, February, March and April are as follows. The company bills each month's sales on the last day of the month. Receivables are booked gross and credit terms of sales are 2/10 net 30. Means it should be paid within 10 days, then you will get 2% discount. Otherwise, the net credit period is 30 days. 50% of the billings are collected within the discount period, means within the first 10 days. 30% are collected by the end of the month, and balance 15% are collected by the end of the second month. 5% becomes uncollectible because it becomes bad debts, in other words. Budgeted cash collection for Volstead company during the month of April would be. Question is simple. Let's calculate. So question is asking for the month of April, how much is the collection? So the first part of the question is very important, where it says bills on the last day of the month. So April billings are done on the last day of April, basically 30th of April. So in April, there will be no collection for the sales done in April because the billing itself is done on the last day. So let's go back 1 month, March sales. Whatever we have done in the month of March, billings will be done on the 31st of March and collection will be done in the month of April. The first collection within the first 10 days. Within first 10 days. How much we have sold in the month of March? $370,000. Within the first 10 days, it says 50% of the collection. But remember, on this 50%, we have to give 2% discount. So first, let's calculate how much we will be collecting. 370,000 multiplied by 50%. So we will be collecting $185,000. But on this, discount has to be given how much? 2% discount, cash discount. So $3,700 will go towards discount. So net collection will be $181,300 within the first 10 days. And by the last day, by the end of the month, the balance 30%, it says 30% shall be collected by the end of the month. So 370,000 multiplied by 30%. Remember, on this 30% there shall be no discount offered. So $111,000 further shall be collected for which month sales? March month sales. 15% of the March month sales shall be collected not in the month of April but in the month of May. How much? The balance 15%. Here it will be collected. We don't need to calculate for the May month. Since it will be calculated in May month, means there will be something which we have sold in the month of February, 1 month before. If this is May, we need till April, we will go 1 month. So we have covered from March, we will start from February, because something in the month of February, sold in the month of February, shall be collected in the month of March, and balance 15% shall be collected in the month of April. Alright, how did we know this? Because March month was collected in the month of May. So 1 month before March, if you go, it will get collected in the month of April. This is how we need to understand. How much? 15%. How? Let's write this. So 340,000 was sold. On the last day of the February month, billing will be done, and on the first 10 days, how much will be collected? Question says 50% will be collected. So 50% will be collected in the month of March. By the end of March, balance 30% shall be collected, and by April, further 15% shall be collected. So 340,000 multiplied by 15%, 51,000 shall be collected from which sales? From the February sales. How did we get that? 340,000 multiplied by 15%. Let's calculate, sum it up. 181,300 plus 111,000 plus $51,000. So we get $343,000 total. So this will be the total collections in the month of April. Let's look at options. Option A, 343,000, sorry, 300. I've missed 300. $343,300. So the correct option would be option A, $343,300. Thank you.